How to register as a design engineer on Find Manufacturing. Firstly, visit www.findingmfg.com. Click on Sign In/Sign Up. Then click Engineering Designer/Design Company to register as a designer. Next, fill up the form with all your details and sign up. Complete your company profile with all the relevant information and then continue to listing details. Add your certifications, payment mode, service categories, etc. Once finished, click on Submit. And that's it. You are now registered as a design engineer, and you will get a confirmation mail after our team verifies your details.